Exercise 49. The dot plot above shows the number of books read by 16 students in 1 month. Which of the box plots below correctly represents this data? In all of them, let's see that. In all of them, we have the mean being equal to 2 and the max being equal to 10. That applies in all of them. But the different thing is with the median. Okay, so we need the median. We know that the median is this red vertical line. Let me jump into Desmos and I'm gonna calculate the median. So I'm gonna write this prompt, median, and open up a bracket. And now I need to carefully input my values. We have two dots at 2. So 2, 2. We have 3 threes, 3, 3, 3. We have 2 fours, so 4, 4. We have 2 fives, 5, 5. 3 sixes, 6, 6, 6. 2 sevens, 7, 7. 1 8 and 1 10. The median is 5. The only box and whisker plot in which the median is 5 is A. So the right answer for this specific exercise would be would be A.